Hello, welcome back to Win CompXM 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips and details guide for round 1, 2, and 3. This video is for round 3 to get the top result. If you see the previous video, you see the top result we get after round 2. We get top sales, top profit, and also top market share. Top result for the balance scorecard. We get very good high result in quiz. And also increasing the round result. If you follow the right strategy, and you can get the top results like this top result for 4 rounds, going up in round 3 and 4, very important, and top score about 900 or 1000. And take the video from round 1 to see the top 10 winning tips. I just show you quickly, right? Check industry condition report, check the career report, very important. Update R&D, marketing, production, HR, right? And finance, TQM, and R&D most important, and career report each round to do the quiz, right? And now we go to details of round 3. I show you now details of round 3. So for round 3 we just update the product, which is easy because we have added 4 new products from round 1. So round 3 is so you use this part of the remember this part come from this number come from your game. You need to check the industry condition report here. I say that 100 times just to check this number and paste into the Excel file. Do not just copy and paste this number to your game, because number different from student to student, different from game to game. CompXM is exam, right? So numbers are different. So do not copy this number to paste into the game. Use a number from your game and paste into an Excel file like this, and then you can get the number calculated for your game, right? Automatically, right? This sample, right? So you see update R&D, right, for round 3, very simple, right? And for the marketing, easy now, right? Because we reduce the price by 50 cents each round. Reduce the price by 50 cents each round, right? So we reduce the price by 50 cents for each round. Trip here, cheapest one, core, nano, elite. Trip here, core, nano, elite, is right order. And then for round 3 is very simple. We use the max most optimal promotion and sale to get to the top right now, right? Yeah, so we use 2000, right, for all the promotion and sales. And now we can calculate the sale forecast, the most important part to check this report for the sale forecast, right? Sale forecast. We find out the unit we sold from last round here and inventories here, and then we are going to calculate the sale forecast using the Excel file. I show you. So we have this one. We use this part only, right, for gallons, and then we use the sales forecast for round 3, and then forecast here, production here, right? Just input into the game. Right? So you have this one. You check that carefully, right? You are your boss. Check that carefully, and then we calculate for the production. Production is simple. We just use the sales forecast here, deduct inventory. Sales forecast here, deduct inventory. So we have production, right? 1529. Put that in. So again, do not copy the number and paste into the game, because number from game and game from student to student are different, right? So need to check this part of the report to find your number, right? And check the other part of the report for number from your game. I'm showing you the right strategy. You can use this strategy to win, but the number must get from your game. If you are not sure, send me the email, right? Send me the email. And then more capacity here, right? The other products enough capacity, right? So buy more. Right? Okay, that's for the production of round 3. Very simple and fast. HR, just keep using 8000 for recruitment, 80 hours for training. For finance now it's simple, right? Pay some dividend, right? And you don't need stock issue. We don't need this one. Want to make sure you get some long-term loans, right? And then you can get lots of cash here to avoid any case of emergency loans, right? And then for 1000 here, you apply that 1200 is okay. Around 1000 is optimal, right? For round, and then you can get pro forma income here. Very high sale and very high profit. Double the sale and double the profit here. You see that, not a few million, now 60 million, right? 14%. And you can see the result of round 3. We have very high score, right, for the round and also for the quiz. And then the top sales here, top profit, and 48% of market share, nearly half of the market size. So that's very big result. If you have any question, you send the email to mbashim.faris@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and quiz 1. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.